friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I'm Mimi. Today we're shopping at Ross at the Ontario location. So the first section I wanted to check out was the high-end makeup. I found this Too Faced eyeshadow palette. It was the Palm Springs collection. And I also wanted to give a shout out to my Instagram follower, ReneePoo77, for requesting a Ross shop with me. And the next palette I found was also by Too Faced, and this one seemed to be a little bit more toned down shades, which was definitely my favorite. So this is one of the sections that I mostly avoid in any stores, the hat section, but this day, this one just totally caught my eye. It's a Juicy Couture ball cap. I was really excited to find it because I absolutely love pink and white together, and I just thought it was the perfect hat. The beach hat is definitely my style as well, and another pink and white hat that caught my eye, that was Adidas. And yes, summer is coming up, but how beautiful is this scarf? It is just the most light, airy, and it was by Jessica Simpson. I absolutely love her line. I think she makes some of the best items. And this was actually one of the sections that I was most excited to show you guys lately. I've really been into these little backpacks. I've been using them as purses, and it's just so convenient. You throw it on your back and you don't have to worry about it. It's out of the way, and I just love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all the different ones. I did come across this one here that I absolutely fell in love with, and it definitely came home with me, and I've been using it non-stop. It was the perfect size. I love that it came with a little pom-pom on the side. I just loved everything about this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys look over all the different ones that I found. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, and I'll talk to you soon. I couldn't believe I came across this beautiful little sign. Let me tell you, when I saw this, my jaw dropped. It was so beautiful, and for $16.99, I just couldn't believe it. It was such a big sign and so beautiful. They also had some of their Easter and spring items out. This truck with the flowers in the back was just so pretty for $24.99. They also had some patio or balcony lights, some baskets, and some really pretty outdoor plates and cups. Now, when I tell you the temptation to bring every single one of these Easter items home with me was there, I am not kidding. They were so beautiful. The colors were amazing. I loved every little Easter bunny and basket that I saw. I did see a wreath that I am hoping to recreate. I am on the hunt for the perfect floral to see if I can recreate it. I will go ahead and show you that wreath in a little bit, but I just enjoyed everything. Looking at this section made me so excited for Easter. This was the wreath here that I am going to try to recreate, so stay tuned. If I do and I am successful, I'll definitely go ahead and share that with you guys. Check over on my Instagram and I'll definitely post pictures. And some more beautiful Easter wreaths, Easter bunny figurines. The section was just amazing. And I know this year we are all loving anything gnome related. So this garland that I found, I was so excited for. I couldn't believe it was just so cute and so little. It's perfect to decorate any section with. They also had a bunch of different styles of eggs and baskets, some more wreaths. Absolutely beautiful. And in the skincare section, I came across this collagen and rose lip mask. The packaging was so cute. I was gonna pick it up for the packaging, but I went ahead and left it behind. I have a ton of lip masks at home, so I didn't pick that one up. But if you have tried that, definitely let me know if it's worth it and I'll go back for it. The skincare section wasn't as packed as it usually is. They didn't have a lot of supplies, but I did still find a few really nice face masks, some makeup items, and just setting sprays is what I was really excited to find. So I found this dewy and matte setting spray. I've never tried this brand before, so if you have, definitely let me know in the comments below. I've been on the hunt for a really good setting spray, so I was really excited to find this one, but I didn't pick it up because I wasn't sure about them. I also came across this rose water face mask by the Cream Shop, one of my favorite brands for face masks. I absolutely love this one. I've tried it before and it works great. And this really adorable floral coin purse, it was so cute. It was $9.99. I also found some more face masks over here. And now off to one of my other favorite sections, the shoe section. I loved all the bling in this sandal here. I thought it was so pretty. It would look so perfect in the summer. And these slip-on bling tennis shoes were just so amazing. And these here were definitely different than anything I've ever seen before. They were like sweater material, but except on your shoes. It was by Guess and they were on clearance for $12.99. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a big thumbs up if you'd like some more Ross Shop With Me's, and I'll definitely go ahead and do that for you. I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye-bye.